A Clean Corner is the first phone case with a built-in self-cleaning stylus for interactions with surfaces like touchscreens and buttons. Touchscreens have become an essential part of everyday life at places like airports, banks, and restaurants. Each individual touchscreen is used by hundreds or even thousands of people per day. With so many hands touching one screen, it's bound to get dirty. This is why we created a Clean Corner. When filth comes in contact with the copper corner, the continuous self-cleansing properties of copper ions begin taking effect. In fact, copper is utilized to cover the most sensitive and sterile surfaces in laboratories, rockets, and intensive care units around the world. We've taken this self-cleaning copper and integrated it into the corner of our phone case. Never worry about signing, tapping, or interacting with a dirty public touchscreen again. Instead, simply use a Clean Corner to keep your fingers away from dirty touchscreens and buttons. Made of extra strength polymer, a Clean Corner phone case is slim, durable, and easy to grip. Smooth touchscreen interaction is made easy with our patent-pending phone case, creating enhanced connectivity. Our mission is to reimagine our interactions with shared surfaces. Today, we are on Kickstarter, hoping to raise enough money to allow us to begin manufacturing our revolutionary phone case. In exchange for your incredible support, we're offering enormous discounts of up to 50% off retail price. With a Clean Corner, you can securely interact with any shared surface. Get yours today.
I'm Ari Williams, and my product is a Clean Corner. We're extremely excited to be presenting a Clean Corner on Kickstarter, and we'd love for you to be the first to try the product.